My second trading journey from $10 to $10,000. On day 2, I've already grown the account more than 13 times after 10 straight hours of trading. It's currently 7 a.m., January 20th. Looking at the chart, we can clearly see 2 trend lines converging. Pay close attention. The lower trend line is connected by at least 4 points over a long period of time. This is a trend line I deeply respect, so I extend it into the future, because if it can help me make more money, why not, right? Meanwhile, the upper trend line is connected by 3 points, but formed in the short term with a steep slope, so it's very easy to break. I don't prioritize it much. As you already know, when price moves deeper into the tight corner between 2 converging trend lines, it often breaks one of them. This is the candle pattern we usually talk about. As you can see, price has dropped and broken below the lower trend line. Now I'll wait for the market reaction to confirm the price action. The break has happened. If price comes back to retest this trend line and bounces up, I'll enter a buy. On the other hand, if the retest fails and price keeps dropping, I'll sell. Extending the resistance zone, we can see price broke straight through it without any reaction. This is a strong sign of a bullish trend. That's why I decided to take a buy here with my stop loss below the support zone and take profit set at 2R. Next is an exercise for everyone in the companion group. This is a tough question. The knowledge I'm about to mention, in which previous video did I explain it? Please help me answer. In an uptrend, if price drops sharply into a support zone, stalls immediately, and the next candle is a bullish candle, that's enough confirmation to enter a buy. Here, we see a short-term ascending trend line connected by 3 points, showing that the bullish structure is still respected. I decided to take a buy with my stop loss below the trend line and my take profit at 3R. For those who still don't clearly understand what the companion group is, the companion group is for people who really want to improve their trading and want to learn my strategy properly. It's a place where many people study the same system, making it easy to discuss, support, and learn from each other. I require them to do exercises so they can gain knowledge and experience faster. It's really good for them later. Anyone who is still losing, struggling to find a method that suits them, can join this group. I teach completely free. Next, when we draw Fibonacci for the previous downtrend, we can see the key price zones. Price is currently at Fibonacci 786 with a very strong resistance zone above. This is your second exercise. Identify the important Fibonacci level that sits inside this resistance zone. As you can see, when price hits this resistance area that includes this Fibonacci level, it reverses and drops strongly. I took a sell here with my take profit set to 2R. And here is today's rebate fee refund history, January 22nd. As you can see, someone trusted me and received almost $200 in rebate. Anyone using heavy DCA stacking strategies should apply for rebate, otherwise you're wasting money for no reason. Registration is simple anyway. When price pulls back to Fibonacci 50, it forms a twin candle pattern with a strong wick rejection upward. Fibonacci 50 lies right inside support, strengthening this support zone. I decided to enter a buy with my stop loss below support and take profit at 2R. Today, the market respects Fibonacci levels very well. Look at Fibonacci 786 inside the resistance zone. When price enters, it instantly forms an evening star pattern, showing bearish pressure stronger. This is a clear signal for me to enter a sell with my take profit near the support zone at Fibonacci 50 below. Please pause the video here to read this announcement carefully. To avoid losing money in the future, scammers are getting extremely sophisticated nowadays. Now let's review today's trade history together. Because every journey needs a trade history. Someone exposed another trader for cutting and stitching videos after returning from a vacation. I'm not comfortable making it public because I'm afraid people might accuse me too. That's why I must show my trade history for transparency. You guys analyze everything so deeply. I'm scared, especially if you catch me trading on a demo account again. Alright then, I am 10-hour trader helping you trade better.